What's happening, guys? It is Wednesday and we are not at the Hack and Pack shop. Oh yeah. You know what we're going to be doing today? Pushing a lot of freaking snow. They're calling for 10 to 20 inches from this blizzard, they're calling it. Big bad blizzard of the century here. And 10 to 20 inches between now, which it's about 12:30 in the afternoon on Wednesday, until about, I don't know, midnight tonight or something like that. I don't know. But they're calling for a lot of freaking snow anyway. And then they're saying possibly another few inches of a lake effect snow. Ooh, hit a little rut there from the snow plow. He left a big ass pile in the middle of the road. Son of a bitch. But anyway, so we're going to be pushing some snow. Don't look that bad out. I mean, come on, guys. State of emergency for this? Come on. Not really that bad. So anyway, we're going to push some snow. This stuff is pushing like big old wet mashed potatoes. I'll tell you, this poor old truck's grunting a little bit. But hey, we're going to get her done. That's what we do. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. We're going to push some snow. I know some of you guys want your snow plowing fixed. Some of you guys can't stand it. Some of you guys love it. If you guys that can't stand it, well, watch the next video. If you guys love it, hope y'all enjoy. Son of a bitch. Alright, let's hit this one. Son of a bitch. Gravel driveway. These driveways suck, boy. Especially when you have all this crap that melted. So then you're just kind of pushing mud, gravel, you name it. Driveway's terrible to back out with too. Can't freaking see. Just gotta put the windows down and listen. See what I mean? Just a muddy freaking mess. This would probably be a good storm to be using shoes. My shoes are MIA. Son of a bitch. Hit the next one. Freaking drifting, man. The plow blade's actually hitting the drifts. Holy shit. Woo! Guess that drift is kind of deep. Son of a bitch. Let's go find this driveway. Alright, this one we're coming up on. I've been plowing this driveway since I've been snow plowing. And this one, when the snow gets this deep, it's a doozy. You can't even see it. We're gonna guess it. Probably end up in a freaking ditch. guys work for the school, So it looks like maybe they're home. Now usually I'll actually plow this driveway going uphill, but the snow's so heavy, I'm just gonna plow the very top of it, give myself some room, turn around. The thing that sucks about videotaping while snow plowing, I gotta turn my music off. YouTube don't like that. The music on. Unless you put their music on. Alright. Now, so I'm back down this thing without ending up in this. Yeah. Back up it. Make one more. try to back drag. This stuff is so heavy, the blade just kind of floats up on top of it. And I don't have a back blade on this plow, so that kind of sucks. This is my grandparents' place. So they parked their Blazer right here next to their Cougar. Trying to make a decent spot for them here. The Cougar will be coming to the hack and pack shop soon. I gotta put an interior in it, and it's got some rust. Son of a bitch. Snow is just clumpy. It's like plowing freaking what, mashed potatoes. This damn pine tree is probably gonna knock my antenna off. On the ground, it looks like there's between 4 and 6 inches. They're calling for 20, up to 20. Widen up this apron a little bit. We'll be done with this. The next one's really a tricky one, a little bit of a longer one. You guys have probably seen this area on video before. This is where we take the Suboru Erie Canal. This is the opening for the park. I do the park opening, and I got a driveway that goes to a few cottages and a couple of regular residences down here. Route 31 in Newark's kind of a busy highway, so you got to kind of really be careful here. Spend a lot of time waiting for traffic stuff. Snow is just some sticky crap, man. Heavy. like semi-paved gravel. Just, yeah. Man, stupid phone won't quit today. Damn. One of these days I'm gonna knock the plow right off this son of a bitch. You guys want a fun one to watch? We'll do the car dealer. Car dealer is definitely a pain in the ass. It'll be in a different video though. Like somebody hit that tree right there straight ahead. There's a mailbox in that mess too. Wasn't me. Not that tree. Not that mailbox. Son of a bitch. Alright, that's all she wrote for this one. Next. Alright, now we're on my street. One of my friends live up here. So we're gonna hit this one. Looks like they already started shoveling. First, looks like I left a big booger in front of her door. Son of a bitch. What I'll do is I'll back in and push it all out. This stuff back dragging, I think I've already said it's terrible. Can't back drag it. You're just wasting your time. Packing the snow. It was good for about 10-20 feet and didn't about it. Gotta go say hi to Dale. Old buddy from Seasonal. I don't know if he's gonna pick him up on camera or not. Maybe, I don't know. Just went out and picked up a plow truck. Alright. Done here. Catch you later, buddy. Better put a snow tire on that thing. Alright, now we're down at my neck of the woods. My neighbor just asked me to do his. So I'll hit his real quick. He just wanted me to back drag it real quick. So that's what we're doing. He's got a snow blower, but he's out doing everybody else's driveway. He ain't done his own yet. I feel you, buddy. I'm gonna do mine next. Now we're going to do the pisser's house. The old Audi's all-wheel drive, she'll walk right out of there. I don't hit it. Son of a bitch. I hate my freaking driveway. I love the house, hate my driveway. It's too small. I got too many cars. No, I don't have too many cars. I got too small a driveway. Son of a bitch. driveways I do, I think mine's one of the freaking most pains in the asses. Oh, yeah. Alright, well, there's a few for you. I should keep you busy watching. Hope y'all enjoyed. Have a goody-goody. Later. Alright, we are still in the village of Newark. I just took a little half-hour breather after I did my driveway. We're going to go do a couple now. I mean, the camera, I think, is showing the real truth here. This is how bad it is. A little bit of a whiteout. Son of a bitch. So we got two up here on this street. The one girl usually calls me when she wants it done. The other one I just do when it needs to be done. Alright, where are we at here? Next one. Pretty nasty out. Out in the country, it's a lot worse than this. The village, you can actually see a little bit. Out in the country, it's like literally me driving 10 miles an hour. And it just don't ever happen. Okay, where are we? Right here. Nice guy, go right up here. Steps. Where are the steps? Damn thing behind me. She's not home. It's an easy one. I just pushed the snow up the driveway. She's home, so we got to back drag this whole thing. Back dragging the snow. Not worth the shit. A couple times here just to get her as good as I can. This other window down, everything's fogged up in here. Son of a bitch. Well, there be that one. Alright, now we're about to do this little mini mall. This place is always fun. We're going to take a little bit of a different approach just because the light was in our favor. Gotta go super slow through here because it is business hours. Half-ass. The problem is where I usually get off the sidewalk, and it's blocked in by those two vehicles right there. Problem here. I guess I should have checked first. So I can get off where I got on. I might be able to sneak off right here. that tree, Gus. Look at that. Almost like a professional. Shit. Can't see out the back window at all. Oh, freaking foggy. Basically just an H pattern. This place is very tight for this size truck. All this traffic. We're in a state of emergency. Roads are supposed to be closed and you got all these people out bebopping. Gotta go Walmart, spend that tax money. Get a flat screen. Some bitch. Come on. We're doing an illegal turn here. Totally ape shit here. These places are open. And unfortunately I'm going to have to get out and shovel my little pile here. I'll knock some of it down now. Back drag it. Smear it around and shit. And there is my daughter coming into view. Can't miss her in that bright Bumblebee Cavalier. Strangling my damn dad on the sidewalk. Crazy bastard. This little spot here. Let's see. Back drag some of this snow pile out of here. I'm not going totally nuts here today. It's snowing so bad I can't even see out the freaking back window. Sucks about plowing these places when they're open. You have a lot of traffic to deal with. Cars, traffic, people. Some bitch shit all over the place. We're back in here. I'm gonna do a little shoveling. This place will be done. Our big parking lot. Nobody's here. They all left. That's good. Here a few hours ago, like 3 hours ago, I guess. I'm not going to go totally hog wild on this place right now. Well, we're going to at least make a few passes in here. The snow is very wet and heavy. Woo. Yeah! And, and slippery. So I'm just gonna get some of this heavier stuff out of here. The snow is supposed to lighten up in volume later, but it'll be a lighter weight of falling snow later also as it gets colder. I don't know, it's probably 30, somewhere in there, 31, 32, I don't know. But once it drops down to the mid-20s, the snow will be a lot lighter, so it'll be easier to push. I just want to get some of this heavy stuff right out of the way now. Still can't see out my back window. What's that shit? Yeah, they're wearing the old mirrors. The back parking lot of this place is boring to plow. The rest of it I don't mind. But God, this back parking lot here is boring. Back and forth. At least this area of the parking lot I got shit to hit. Kinda. These are some obstacles. You guys can see that snow probably rolling up over the blade, maybe. I don't know how good I have the angle here. that stupid phone. Dang ya. Easily able to do it. We'll do this sidewalk. Just back drag them real quick. We got a guy that shovels them and stuff, but this definitely saves the poor guy's back, I tell you. I've been doing this place for a few years too. All of my customers keep me. Have a lot of customers, like 15, something like that, maybe 20, I don't know. I always seem to acquire a few extra ones a year, but I don't want to take on tons of contracts, because then you got to get another guy, another truck, more upkeep, blah, 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 blah. I like keeping it small. It's in my comfort zone. I like to keep it that way. Doing this place quick because obviously I'll be back here later tonight, or I'll just wait till it all ends and do it in the morning. I do charge them by the trip, but they are closed too, so we get another 6 inches though before I'm done with the route. I'll come back, do it again. If we don't, then I'll just wait and do it all. I don't like to come in when there's a foot of snow and have to push a foot of snow in this parking lot, because it just seems to take forever. Just kind of getting the worst of it right now, and that's all I want to do. Pass and we're out of here. There. That'll do it for here for now. Oh yeah.